Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Removal. On the bottom of the notebook, slide the battery lock latch, identified with a lock icon, to the unlocked position. Slide the battery release latch, identified with a battery icon, to the release position to partially eject the battery. Slide the battery out of the battery bay. Replacement. Slide the battery into the battery bay until it is properly seated and the battery release latch clicks. Slide the battery lock latch, identified with an unlocked icon, to the locked position to secure the battery in the battery bay.